In this video, I'll be showing you how to restore your iPhone.
The first thing you're going to need is a backup on iCloud or a computer to restore any of your data. You then need your Apple account ID, email, and your password. And finally, your device needs to be connected to Wi-Fi or cellular data. So there's a few methods. So the first one for iOS 17 and later, if you enter the wrong passcode too many times, a reset option is going to appear on your lockout screen. Then just tap forgot passcode, which is going to be located in the bottom right corner. And for this, if you change your passcode in the last 72 hours, you might be able to use your old one to sign in temporarily. Then just start reset. So tap your iPhone start reset, and then it's going to erase all the content and settings. Then just authenticate and enter your Apple account password, and then just choose whether to keep or delete your eSIM. And it's definitely recommended to keep it. And then once you're on the hello screen, follow the prompts to restore it from a backup. Now, if you're on iOS 16 or earlier, tap erase iPhone on the bottom right, and then just tap it again, and then all the data is going to be deleted. Then just enter in your Apple account password, and then after the device erases and restarts, just follow the steps to restore your data. You can even use a computer if you want to, just by entering recovery mode. And yeah, it's as simple as that.